Hi folks, hope you're well. Hi YouTubers. Just thought I'd quickly do a video on a company called IcoinPro. I've been a member for over about say 9-10 months now. Going very well. Great thing about this company, you don't have to give your funds to the company. It's not like these third-party companies. They take your money, they promise to pay 1 or 2 or 3% a day, and all of a sudden they scam out. This company is completely different. It actually teaches you how to trade safely, and you will total control of your funds. Great thing about this, when you actually first become a member, you have a free free lesson. It's a free boot camp, so it just gets you to know the ins and outs of the business and how to trade safely. Very good company. Beauty about this, what I like about it is we do have a platform built into IcoinPro, okay, which is, I'll quickly show you here, which is this here. This is like a portal, okay, because this company teaches you how to buy on the dip. It's software built into IcoinPro, okay. It shows you where all the dips are happening on, for example, Binance, Coinbase, or there's a couple more exchanges which we can recommend you to use, but really we're using IcoinPro and Binance, very safe and very big companies, okay, exchanges. I'll give you an example. This software here, built into IcoinPro, okay, say for example, I want to find a trade. So I click on find a trade, okay. So it's finding the coins which are at a dip. In the training, okay, it teaches you how to use this platform, how to use this portal, okay, right? Only paid members can use it, but free members get the basics, okay. But anyway, let me quickly show you this. So it teaches you here where the dip is, okay. Right. It tells you what coin, where it's listed, the dip, okay, the percentages, and it tells you the volume of how much coins worth, okay, and also how much you'll make hypothetically, okay. You have to watch the free video to understand the concept, okay. But meanwhile, great program, really good. It's given me over roughly about say €1,000 a week, approximately, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on the market, okay. And the great thing about it, now we have a built-in trading view app inside the platform. It's our own trading view platform built into this, okay. And also we have now just been released is a crypto alert. Say for example you want to make say alert on your phone, okay. Say for example I want to get into the coin display, start off putting a trade in, what I want to know, or be alerted. So I don't want to be tied to the screen every day, okay, or all day, okay. So obviously we have lives. I'm going to might want to go out with my girlfriend, or I might want to go out to see some friends, yeah. But it's a great thing about having an alert. You can have it on your phone, okay. And there's a beauty about it, guys. You can actually live your life normally and put a trade in, and your phone will let you know what the trade's happening. So, for example, say if I wanted to put a trade in, and I'm looking at a dip here, I really want another dip before I even put a trade in. So what I do, I go like this, pull my mouse across, and I put like a little alert there. Okay, I want to every time it hits that coordinates. Once it hits some coordinates, it'll alert me on my phone, and I can start trading it. At the moment, I'm just doing a bit of scanning, see what's going on, see the history of the coin, see what's happening the ups and downs. Okay, the percentages. Say for example, I want to know what's volume from there to there. It's being measured up sticks. So for example, let's look at the volume of this. Volume to the SMA line, okay, is 1.48%. So if I got a good trade in and it went up, the candle went up, I'll virtually get 1.49% profit. Okay, obviously cryptocurrency is not guaranteed, but it just gives you an idea. Okay, But all the training is in the video. You have to watch the video to understand what I'm saying. But just click on the link below and you can get your free training and see what the business is like. Great thing about this company, you are in control with the of your own trades, okay? And there's no third party dealing with exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. And it's the IcoinPro is teaching you how to trade safely without getting wrecked, okay? Obviously, you know, I'm going to put my hands up. Disclaimer, cryptocurrency is very, very volatile. Okay. Yes, you can lose money. Yes, you can make money. But IcoinPro teaches you the safest way of not losing your shirt. Okay. And it teaches you the correct way, all right, with not losing your funds. Obviously, like stop losses, it teaches you everything. You have to look or sign up to IcoinPro, watch the free platform, free bootcamp, and then if you're happy with it, you can either upgrade, okay, and pay per month or pay per year. This portal here is built in. It's roughly about $10 a month, I think this is roughly. But the actual membership of IcoinPro is $99. Or you could upgrade to the full package, which is roughly about $40 a month, something like that. The basic package is about $19 a month. It's up to you. Or you can pay the one-off fee, which save yourself a few percentage on the membership. Okay, but this is gold, absolutely gold. You have a week content. You do like spread tracker, blow up tracker, dump tracker, and also you have add these to your watch list. It's an ideal platform to learning how to trade. And when you come into the platform, you come to this place, IcoinPro training, free bootcamp. Please watch the video. Don't be lazy. Watch it. Get an understanding of what the company offers. Okay. And guys, you will not be disappointed because you're learning the skill. Okay. No one can take the skill away from you once you've learned the skill. Okay. Meanwhile, have a great day. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. My name's Matt Feast. Any questions, any answers, please leave a message on my YouTube channel. Reach out to me on Facebook or Telegram. All my links will be below video. And please give me a thumbs up, please, for my video. Or you can subscribe to my channel because there will be more videos I'll be bringing out in the next few days or weeks. But yeah, just keep in contact with me. And any problems, just reach out to me. I'm here to help you. Take care. Have a great day. Thank you very, very much for watching the video. Really appreciate it. Thank you.